everyone, Rosalind again with Guardian Realty Group. I was just finishing up my day with clients and had a good question come across. What is the difference between foreclosed properties and short sales? So here is the short version. A foreclosed property is a home that has already been taken back by the lien holder and it is now being sold. You can compare it to a repossession of a car, for example. If you can no longer make the payments of your car, the lien holder will come and take it or repossess it. Same thing with a home. If you can no longer make the payments, the lien holder will come and take the home. That's a foreclosure. The short sale is when you owe more than what the property is worth. So for example, your property, you may owe $150,000. The property may only be worth $100,000. So in essence, you owe more than what the property is worth. In this case, you would have to get permission from the lien holder to sell your property for less than what you owe on it. If you have more than one lien holder, they all must agree to say, yes, you can sell the property for less than what you owe on it. Once that happens, then you can advertise the property for sale with a real estate professional, and they will procure a buyer for the approved sale amount that the lien holder has said, this is how much you can sell the property for. So that is your short version of foreclosure versus short sale. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at any of the links below. Again, this is Rosalind, Guardian Realty Group, signing out, and see you next time.